So the current project on the floor today, we're working with that customer basically with the intent to keep everything in-house.
The domes for the tanks are purchased, all the decking material has been purchased, cut, and fabbed here. So literally all made in the shop.
The project has a couple of 1,200-gallon tanks, access decks, a couple different skids. So on this specific project, the customer had a design that they would like, and they had part of the design done as they had built one in the past. So once we had the design ready for them and approved, then engineering was able to get drawings out to the shop floor. That'll go out to the shop floor for fabrication, and as they get smaller components done, then we will kick out other drawings that show the assembly stage. And that will go into assembly in the shop floor with more fabrication. And there's also piping on this project as well. So the guys will work on piping the systems together. And then once that is done, the customer will come inspect, make sure everything meets their expectations as everything's put together right here in-house.
I think the advantage we had in-house is that we were able to do a complete assembly, on that, so that customer was able to come in, take a look at things on the floor, assemble. Once we had that approval, that system will be broke down and shipped to site for reassembly.